Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. We'll start on the outside of this boat, and we optioned it with the platinum gel coat hull color. Then we did the chrome graphics, white rub rail with stainless steel insert on it, then the twin white 400s on the back. Hey everyone, now we're inside the 330 Outrage by Boston Whaler Boats. As you can see, we optioned it with the gray interior. These do have flip-up bolsters right here. Two nice footrests depending on your height. Armrest that folds down right here in the center as well, but you can sit 2 to 3 across here. Maybe a small child in the center. Dad can hold on to it. I told you about the twin 400s in the back. We did option it with the joystick piloting option from Boston Whaler. So this is going to have your skyhook, autopilot, all that good stuff built in. Twin displays up here, similar to the NXOs, I believe. Tilt steering wheel, nice little trucker knob right here. Moving back, we have a nice little leaning post right here, facing aft for trolling if you wanted to. We also added the trolling seats. We have in-floor fish boxes right here, access to the bilge, and a nice fold-out seat right here. If you want to take a look at your very large live well right there, it's blue, it's rounded, it keeps your fish and your bait nice and calm and alive. Let's go ahead and move forward. Show you guys the head compartment. Vacuum flush head, of course, with the overboard discharge. There is your boarding and exit ladder for the port dive door. Plenty of open space up here. Windlass anchor up front. Nice Queen's lounge right here. Obviously, this is a fishing boat, but it's great for entertaining as well. Taking this boat to Party Cove, taking all your friends and family out, and just having a great time on the water. You guys, again, my name's Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us or give me a call at 936-223-6770. Thank you.